Welcome to the installation video of Kentrol's door hinge liner for the 2018 to current 2-door and 4-door JL Wrangler. Step 1. Remove your OEM doors and store them with the window down to protect the glass. Step 2. Using a flathead screwdriver and a hammer or mallet, gently tap and fold away the OEM aluminum liner. Step 3. Using the included tool, place the smaller end against the OEM liner. Lightly tap down onto the tool and push out the aluminum and any debris that has built up. Once clear, ensure the tool can freely slide in and out of the hinge. Step 4. Place a new hinge liner into the hinge, and you're done. Enjoy your Kentrol JL door hinge liner.